Car insurance quotes. What is a car insurance quotes? Quotes insurance rates are based on your driver profile and vehicles. You can request free car insurance quotes for an insurer to see how much an auto insurance policy would cost before signing up for coverage. Most online quotes are instant unless you shop for a car insurance with a smaller provider. You just need to provide basic information about yourself, your vehicles, and anyone else how drives it. When you reach out for a quote, always give accurate information, and insurance agencies can cancel your plan within 30 to 90 days depending on the state. If you leave out something specific like a 10 driver living in your household, car insurance quotes are usually good for 30 days, so you can continue to shop around and circle back if you do not find a better plan. Type of car insurance coverage. The quote you are receiving might break down pricing for different type of auto insurance coverage, so you can decide if you want a minimum coverage or full coverage policy. The standard type of car insurance coverage include liability coverage. Body injury liability covered other driver and these passengers in accident that you cause. Property damage liability covered other vehicles in accident where you are at fault. Conclusion insurance. The insurance covers your vehicles no matter who is at fault. Comprehensive insurance. Your vehicles is protected for environment factors such as flood, fire, and fallen tree branch, as well as things like theft and vandalism. Personal injuries protection. The cover medical expense, lost wage, and death benefit for you and your passengers, no matter who is at fault in an accident. Medical payment. Medical expression and paid are paid for you and your passengers with this insurance coverage. Under insurance, uninsurance, motorized insurance. The insurance coverage protect you when you are in an accident with a driver who has no or too little insurance. Additionally, you may be able to select extra insurance options like roadside assistance or medical breakdown insurance depending on the provider. How to shop for car insurance quotes. Let's break down the process of shopping for car insurance quotes into a few steps. First step, gather your information. No matter which way you decide to get insurance quotes, you will have to provide a few pieces of information. Have the following read ready before you start shopping. Information for each driver in your household include driver's license number, date of birth, and occupation. Vehicle information including the make, model, mileage, and vehicle's identification number. Average miles driven per year. Driving history, current coverage information. Step 2, decide what level of coverage you need. The next step is to decide on the level of coverage you want. Unless you live in a new special you state require a basic level of bodily injury and property damage liability insurance coverage. This pay for damage you cause to other drivers. Your state may also require some level of medical coverage or underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage. Getting a policy that meets your state minimum liability limits is the cheapest option, but it may not provide high enough limits to cover serious accident. It also does not cover your car when you cause an accident or in country environment damage.